There are two types of toolbars. You've got the side toolbar and then you have the floating toolbar. They both do about the same thing, but the floating toolbar has a bit more functionality. Now, if you press with two fingers, the floating toolbar will go to wherever your two fingers are. If you want to quickly switch to HDMI, you can just press that icon. It will switch you to HDMI. If you want to go back to the home screen, you can press the home button. If you want to open some settings, so if you want to change the volume or change the screen brightness, you can easily do that with settings. You can open the recently used apps over here. If you want to annotate the screen, you can press this, and now I can annotate everything on the screen. Or if you just want a quick way to go to the whiteboard app, you'll press that icon and it will open up the whiteboard app. And one of the most useful things that the floating toolbar does is it has a star icon where you can add your own shortcuts. So let's say I want to add something like a source, or I want to add an app. So maybe I want to add my Photos app. I can just go ahead and click on that, and now it shows up as a shortcut. So if I exit out of that and I click on the star, now I can easily open Photos. If you want to change the theme, you can go to the OEM settings here, click on Personalized, and then you've got themes and wallpapers, and you've got a variety of themes that you can choose from. So it's just a nice, quick and easy way to change the overall look and theme. And if you want to change it back, you just find where the OEM settings are, go back to Personalize, themes and wallpapers, and then you can go back to the default theme. If you want to record the screen and record everything you're doing, just pull the top down here and you can see there is a screen recorder. Right now you can see it says stop because I'm actively recording right now. So I'm going to go ahead and stop this right now.